Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to dedicate this video to Boxycharm. I have been subscribed to Boxycharm for about 18 months now, and I really just wanted to sit down and unbox with you guys a box and just let you know like what it's in the box, how much it's worth, how much I pay, just to give you an idea of the kind of products that that I receive. For those of you that are interested in subscribing to Boxycharm and don't know exactly what it is or are not familiar with it, this will give you an idea of what's in Boxycharm and the price and all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in the content of this video and you'd like to know how I created this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. For today's video, I thought I'd do like a try on, pretty much just try on the products in these two boxes and do like a full makeup look, to see how they work out. So every time you dig into a box, you see this beautiful red color right here. This is actually the base box, the $25 one. And then you get this little paper right here. And it has the theme of the box, which this one is breaking the ice. And then it also has the information of the products on the other side. This box is 5 items. This is variation 2. It tells you what they're for, the price, the brand, and the name of the product. When you add up all these products, it's supposed to be like $125 value, I believe, but I paid $25. That's what they take out of my account every month. So the first thing that pops out to me is this. It's the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. And then it has, all the information about the mask on the back, which is pretty cool. I'm going to put this aside because obviously I can't use this. I did do the base of my makeup just so that I could try out the products. The next thing that I see on here is this eyeshadow palette. This is an Ace Beaute. I got the Vintage Dawn. Vintage Dawn looks like this. Alright, so the next product here is the Wonder Beauty Trip for 2. This is a blush and bronzer duo. Wow. This is really light for a bronzer. I don't think that that's going to do anything for me, but I guess we'll see. I mean, I'm literally trying it on my arm and it does not show up, but we'll see how this works for bronzer and blush. The blush color is actually really pretty. Next product is the GrandeDrama Intense Thickening Mascara. This has castor oil, and castor oil is actually supposed to be good for growing hair. I actually do use castor oil. I haven't used it in a while, but I used it on my eyebrows a lot, and it has actually made a difference. I used to have like absolutely no eyebrows. I butchered my eyebrows, and it's taken me a long time to grow my eyebrows, but I have felt that it's made a difference. So yeah, I'm interested to see how this works out on my eyelashes. And then the next product that I see here is a Too Faced Diamond Light. This is a highlighter in this little box. And this packaging is honestly so cute. It's just beautiful. And then this is what it looks like. And it's the shade, what shade is this? Oh, Fancy Pink Diamond. That's what the shade name is. Now, for one of their newest editions, it just launched in November. And this is what the inside looks like. So it's a blue inside. And then it's the same theme, breaking the ice. And mine is the variation 28, which is at the corner here. And then this is a list of the products on this box. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. So one more product than the regular box. And I believe the value for this is supposed to be $150 or $175. The first product that I see here is by Saint Luxe. It's an eyeliner trio. I've actually never heard about this brand. Boxycharm sometimes just throws like the most random brands at you, at least that I don't necessarily hear. But yeah, it's 3 eyeliners, and there's a nude color, there's a brown liner, and then there's a black liner, I believe. Really cool, actually. That's really neat because, you know, these are like the 3 main staple colors for like waterline and stuff. Then the next thing here is the Lolita. This is a Kat Von D Lolita eyeshadow. It's a single eyeshadow. I actually got the lipstick from Boxycharm on one of the boxes. I was actually really pleased. It's actually a really pretty color. So this is what the shade looks like. Really, really nice, honestly. I'm interested to see how it works on the eyes. So there's that. And I should probably tell you the prices for these, but I've totally spaced it. So I will link the prices down below for the ones that I did not mention. So the Lolita eyeshadow, single eyeshadow is $19. That's what it retails for. Wow, I'm shook. The Saint Luxe Beauty eyeliner trio retails for $55. That's crazy. So then the next product that I see here is the $1 Billion Brows. This is the best brow kit. It has a brow gel, a smudger brush, concealer, highlighter, pencil, and the brow pencil. And this one retails for $42. Wow, that's pricey. Next product is the, I honestly don't even know how to say this brand, Lineage. I think it's Lineage. I've heard of this brand before. I haven't actually tried any of their items though. This is the Mousse Moisturizer. So that product retails for $29, which is not bad. Next product we're moving on to, and this is probably like my favorite product of the premium box. This is the Farsali Liquid Glass. I've heard so much about this product, and Farsali in general just has like the best face oils, face serums, you know. I just feel like they're just amazing, and I won't be able to use this in this video, which sucks because I really would have loved to use it. So this product retails for $54, which is their usual products for all of their serums. Alright, so we are moving on to the last product of this box, and it is the Palm Springs Too Faced eyeshadow palette. I hate how just makeup in general has like the longest names ever. Wow, this is so cute. So there's this little like booklet that comes with it, and it just pretty much gives you like ideas on eye looks, which it's so cute and nice. Wow, it's really nice. I've never seen anything come with this. This is the How To Glamour Guide. Wow, super uber cute. Very nice. And then this is what the palette looks like. So gorgeous, honestly. Like super, super beautiful. I think I'm gonna use this palette, honestly. Anyways, this palette retails for $45. I think this is the usual price for Too Faced products, or Too Faced eyeshadow palettes. I think they usually range around the 40s. I'm gonna add these prices together for the premium and for the Boxycharm, so I can give you kind of like an estimate of what the box consists of. So for the Boxycharm, when you add all the products, it's $153.99, and we are paying a flat rate of $25. I think there is taxes on that, which makes it like $27 and some change, but still a really sweet deal for $153 worth of products. Wow. For the premium box, it's $244. That's crazy. That's honestly so crazy. $244. And the price for the premium box is $35 monthly, plus tax, which I think was like $38. Either way, it was under $65, roughly around there for both of these. and I got 11 products for $70. 11 products. And both of these together are over $300. And that's actually a really sweet deal. I don't even know how they do it, honestly. It's crazy to me to like think just how they do it, but it's really sweet. So if you're not subscribed to Boxycharm, I would recommend to give it a try. So I'm using the $1 billion brow pencil. Again, like I said, this doesn't have a shade name. At least I don't think it does. It's like a dark brown. Oh my god, rude. Anyways, I'm gonna use this to fill in my brows. Not gonna lie, this color is not the color that I use on a daily basis. I use a little bit of a darker color for my eyebrows because I literally, like, I have black hair, so obviously I really don't like this color. My god, it's just way too light, like way too light for me. I'm gonna try to make it a little bit darker with my pomade. I'm honestly so scared to use this because I hardly ever use something like this. So we'll see how it does. Use a little smudger brush with it. I did finish my brows. Honestly, the only item that I liked from the brow kit, was the brow gel. I don't really find myself using any of the other products. The pencil was just not my color. Like I said, I don't usually use these kinds of products to clean up my brows. I usually just do a concealer or my eyeshadow base, which is like my favorite thing right now. But the brow gel was just like any other brow gel and it worked just fine. Now I'm going to move into the Too Faced palette and I'm going to, I don't know, do some sort of little eye look here. So take a Morphe M514. I'm going to dig into this orange shade right here. It's called Mocktail. And I'm going to place that on the outer corner of my eye. And just tap. I'm tapping that shade into my crease. And just lightly do circular motions. Just like that. And then I'm going to take another brush. I'm going to take this Morphe M562 brush. I'm going to take the shade Rum Tiki, this one right here. I'm just going to put it on top of that orange just to diffuse that color. And I'm just going to take a bigger, fluffier brush and just work that color in. And then I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to take some of my P. Louis base and I'm just going to do like a half cut crease. Just like that. And take this little tiny brush right here and I'm going to dig into Swink, this blue shade right here. I'm just going to place that on the on top of the eyeshadow base. And I'm going to take this little tiny brush right here and I'm going to tap into this brown shade, which is BYOB. And I'm going to diffuse that blue on the outer part. I'm going back to the orange and just diffusing that a little more. Just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I did put my lashes off camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on my lower lash line. I'm going to do Rum Tiki, Mocktail, and then I'm going to do some of the BYOB. So first I'm going to go in with the Rum Tiki, and then the Mocktail, and then some of the BYOB. I'm just gonna go with this fluffy brush just to diffuse all those together. I'm going to use the mascara that came in my Boxycharm, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line. The next product that I'm going to be using, it's going to be the Beaute, and this is the Contour Blush Duo. I'm actually really nervous about that contour shade because it's really light. And I'm using the Morphe Y10, it's this little tiny brush. I'm going into that contour shade. Let's see how that works. Can you even see anything? I don't think it's doing anything. And I'm like really digging into this shade, but it's hardly coming out. That sucks. I'm just gonna go into my Cover FX and just do the contour shade that's on there. So this shade is called Costa Ray. Not my favorite. Didn't do anything. It's way too light for my skin tone. So I'm gonna go into Bellini, which is this blush shade right here. Okay, now the blush. Yep. This shade is actually really nice. Not gonna lie. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and just set my face, and I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Cucumber spray. For the last product that I'm gonna try from the Boxycharm, it's gonna be this diamond glow thing. And I'm just using like this big fluffy eyeshadow brush. I feel like I've been liking the precise highlighter kind of look. Okay, that's actually really, really nice. Gives you like a nice glow within, not too flashy. Now let's see how it looks on the inner corner. I know it's like kind of pinkish too, but oh well, we'll see how it works. Okay, it's showing. Wow, it looks really pretty actually. Really cute. I like the highlight. It's actually not that bad. For my lip, so basic. I'm just gonna do this Dose of Color, and it's in a truffle. Now I'm gonna line my lips with this Steve Laurent lip liner. So, and then I'm going to do this Dose of Color truffle. Kind of overdrew my lips a little bit, but I'm not mad. I'm gonna go ahead and let this hair down, and I will be right back with my final thoughts, okay? So I just wanted to share my final thoughts on this particular box and then just on Boxycharm overall. So for this particular box, most of the products are honestly really good. I didn't get to use all of them, but I'm really excited to see how some of these skincare products, because I got a lot of skincare in this box, are gonna work out. As far as the $1 billion brow kit, I'm not the biggest fan of it. Maybe some other people will like it. I'm just so accustomed to the products that I use that it just didn't work for me. Try to make it work. So yeah, that was not my favorite. Also, the other product that I was not a fan of is the Wonder Beauty Trip for 2. This is the blush and contour or bronzer duo. This to me is not a bronzer. Not even for light skinned people, because I'm a light skinned person and I'm sure there's lighter people than me, but this did not work for me, at least not the bronzer part. It didn't do anything for me. Kind of just like took away from, you know, my foundation. So I did use my own bronzer for this look because it was just not working for me. As far as the blush was nice pink tone. As far as all the other products, they all looked wonderful. They worked well. I loved this eyeshadow palette. I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are not a part of my family, please just subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in my next video.